So how long have you guys been dating?
Now it's about 2 years now.
2 years. Okay. So 2 years, do you agree? Okay. So if your girlfriend were to be sick and she needed a kidney, would you give it to her?
Hell no. This is stupid. Really?
Yeah, I'll give it to her.
You just dey invite heat rashes.
Why?
Why? Because she's part of me. We are one.
Would you give it to her? A kidney. This out. What if you only have one kidney left? I'll sacrifice my kidney for you. So you'd sacrifice dying just for your boyfriend? Just for my boyfriend.
Jesus is Lord.
Okay, how long have you been in a relationship?
Probably 3 to 4 months.
How long have you been single?
Uh, maybe 8 months now. Yeah.
8 months. Okay, so with your relationship with your boyfriend, right? Do you think if he was sick, like seriously sick, and needed a kidney, would you give it to him?
No. Because my religion doesn't allow it and I respect it. I'm a Jehovah's Witness.
Jesus.
So do you think your boyfriend would donate his kidney for you if you needed?
Yeah.
You get it?
How so I?
100%.
Yeah.
Why are you sure?
Because he seems like that person who would do it for me.
Yeah, you found yourself a gem right then.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time, ne? So are you in a relationship?
Yeah, I am.
For how long?
Has been
Since 2004? Since 2004.
He shot you.
Okay. No marriage yet?
no, nobody.
Okay. Traditionally done. Okay. Legally, still, you still sick.
Yeah, well, still friends.
Your partner was to get sick and needed a kidney. Would you donate for him?
I will. I would.
With no doubt.
No doubt.
Do you think he would do the same for you?
I think so.
Really?
Yeah. That's how I think. Yeah.
That's my perception about you.
He would do the same for me.
Okay. Okay. So, for you 100% sure, like, no doubt about it.
No doubts.